Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ayesha Nawazish and you are watching Excel Study Center. So our next essay is my favorite poet. So let's start. Lives of great men all remind us that we can make our lives sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. A great man is one who serves humanity by heart and soul, but no man is great who is great only in his lifetime. The test of greatness is the page of history. History is replete with the noble deeds of men whose sole and sacred aim of life was to help and guide their fellow men. We read about scientists, artists, philosophers, politicians, poets and sages whose tireless and selfless efforts brought comfort and peace to the suffering humanity. They die, but their death makes them immortal because they live in our hearts. No man was ever yet a great poet without being at the same time a profound philosopher. Allama Iqbal is the greatest Muslim poet philosopher. He was born at Sialkot on 9th of November 1877. His father Sheikh Nur Muhammad was a great mystic. Iqbal inherited deep love for religion from him. His school teacher Sayyid Mir Hassan also played an important role in shaping his personality. He taught him Arabic, Islamiyat and Persian. After completing his early education, he went to Lahore. There, he joined the government college and passed MA examination in philosophy. Then he started teaching in the same college. After a few years, he went to Europe for higher studies. He received PhD in philosophy from Germany and passed Bar at Law examination from London. When he returned home, he started law practice in the Lahore High Court, and what he greatly thought he nobly dared. He devoted most of his time to poetry, philosophy and religion. He was much worried about the sad and deplorable plight of the Muslims. They had forgotten the true message of Islam and had indulged in petty worldly pursuits. Iqbal tried to reawaken them from the sound slumber of luxurious ease. He wrote many great and beautiful poems which carry the message of Islam. Through his immortal theories of Khudi, Mard-e-Momin and Shaheen, he taught them self-control, self-respect and love for religion. He was against all political and religious exploitations. In his poems, he used simple language with beautiful similes and metaphors to explain his philosophical thoughts. He wrote many books such as Bange-Dara, Bale-Jibril, Zarbe-Kalim, Israr-e-Khudi, Ramiz-e-Bekhudi and Javed-Nama, etc. A writer only begins a book, a reader finishes it. It was he who presented the idea of Pakistan. In 1930, he presided over the Allahabad session of All India Muslim League. In his presidential speech, he made it clear that the Muslims of the subcontinent would have to struggle hard to achieve a separate homeland if they wanted to lead their lives according to the teachings of Islam. Unfortunately, he didn't live to see his dream come true. He died on April 21, 1938. He was buried in Lahore, where Minar-e-Pakistan stands to bear witness to the insight and prudence of this great poet of the East. It is not sufficient to see and know the beauty of a work. We must feel and be affected by it. Okay, so this was our essay, My Favorite Poet. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.